Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to check GNC protein authentication. Scan the QR code on the label with your phone camera to verify the product instantly. I will walk you through reading lot numbers, checking holograms, and contacting support if anything seems off. This guide keeps things simple and practical, so you can shop confidently and avoid counterfeit supplements while understanding common red flags and verification tips. Let's look at label and code details to make verification fast and reliable. Start by locating the lot number and expiration printed on the bottom or label, then read the QR code with your phone camera. Compare the listed protein grams per serving and ingredient panel with the official GNC listing. If anything differs, take photos and note the lot code before contacting GNC support for assistance and next steps. Packaging and quality checks often reveal counterfeits quickly, so pay close attention. Look for factory-tight seals, consistent print quality, and correct brand spellings that match genuine products. Feel the powder or shake the container to notice texture differences and smell for unusual odors compared to items you trust. If anything seems wrong, document it with photos, keep the receipt, and reach out to GNC or the seller for verification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.